This conference will
okay.
now be recorded.
So I will make you presenter. You can present your screen. Okay. So I'm making you presenter. You can share your screen and let me know. Yeah, you need to accept, Venkatesh. Okay. Fine. What is the problem? Here, so two companies you need to take. One is INMF, and which company you are going to take? USMF. Huh? Okay. So you have mapped. Save it. You have mapped already. Save. Okay. Now purchase order policies. This is not important. Purchase value mapping. Purchase value mappings. Next one. Make it our. Next to sales values mappings. Sales values mappings. That is not important. Map it all. Save it. Okay, now go to the first trading relationship, first one. Okay, INMF, it is vendor account. Okay, now go to the INMF company. Close this one first. Close this one. No, screen I want. Okay, you are struggling. Huh? Close this form and open. Intercompany from INMF 0014 vendor account. Now go to the intercompany, general intercompany setup. Now it was mapped already. Understood? It will be there automatically. Whatever you have mapped there, it will become automatically here. Whatever you have mapped here, it will be there automatically in that. And I think it is activation, active now. In activate, yes. Are you able to do it? That's it. Save. Clear, Venkatesh? It will be automatically activated. If you refresh, it will be activated. No need to do it once again. In any one, if you change it, if you want, you can close and open the screen. Now you can open the intercompany, it will be activated, because if you do any action in one customer or vendor, it will be automatically. If not, then activate now. Refresh, freshly refresh. Complete open from a module once again. Customers, all customers. It's not DE001. You are selecting DE001, close. Otherwise, activate it, no problem. Save. Okay. You can try, and if you are facing any challenges, let me know. I'm making myself presenter. Okay. Fine. So yesterday we learned about intercompany stock transfer. Okay. Today we'll try to understand about direct delivery or drop shipment or direct delivery. Suppose there is a manufacturing company. And for this manufacturing company, there will be excise duty or excise tax. Excise duty will be there. Okay. And for distribution company, the tax is applicable like earlier, I'm telling you, VAT. So both companies are my companies only. Both are my companies only. At that time, this is sales company, this is manufacturing company. What they will do, manufacturing company will not sell the material. So earlier it is like this. Then they will sell the material to this company, and this company will sell the material. In sometimes nowadays it is excise and VAT, everything is combined into only GST in India. Here it is GST. Whatever it may be, any reasons. Anyhow, it is GST. If in case any reasons, anything. So manufacturing company is not selling material directly to the customers. This manufacturing company will sell only to their own company, distribution company, and this company will sell the material. Okay, in this case, majority times they will take the material from here, and they will I mean to say they will purchase and they will sell the material. If in case material is not exist in my company, what I will do, I will raise a purchase order based on the sales order. So distribution company, I'm taking suppose D company. So company D, I have received an order. Received an order, sales order from the customer. This company D, what they will do, they will raise a, based on the sales order, they will create a purchase order directly and they will ask the vendor, like manufacturing company, to dispatch the material to the customer directly. Understood the concept? In this system it is very simple, but you need to understand the concept. This company is creating a, based on the against the sales order, it is creating a manufacturer like a purchase order. Then purchase order, like this company will sell the material directly. If you want graphical representation. I will show you so that it will be a little bit more understandable to you. Suppose this is distribution company. It does not mean like you need to have the same scenario, but any scenario, one of the scenario I'm just explaining. Okay. And this is manufacturing company. Okay, I have received an order from the customer. Order informed to this customer. Order received, and this company is raising purchase order. This is sales order received, and against this one purchase order was created. And this company is dispatching material directly. Understood? Any confusion here? Dispatch the material, but product receipt will be done here. Okay, rather than this one, I will do a little bit comfortable diagram. Give me a minute so that little bit of beautification. So received order from customer and material dispatched by this company. So sales order, but dispatched material by Okay, and then product receipt will be sent to this company. I mean to say document, dispatch document will be sent to this company. So it does not mean like always it should be a manufacturing company only. Any company it is possible, but usually this company will not give the information. This distribution company will not give the information to this company usually. Am I right? Because if it is a normal company, you are giving information like from where I am purchasing. This customer may, like there is a chance customer may approach directly this company. Agree? Suppose if the customer is giving an order here, and every time if it is receiving from here, if known about this company, then they will approach this company directly. But this scenario will be happen in regularly, like if it is both companies are my companies only, and this company is not selling directly to this customer, then this manufacturing, this is a like in Indian situations, majority times manufacturing companies, they will not sell the material to the customers directly. They will have their own one more company, distribution company. This company only will sell the material. This is my experience. Okay, understood? Any confusion here? Are you able to follow? Are you able to listen my voice?
Yes, we can hear you.
Any doubts in this? Any questions? I will show you practical in the system. Let me show you. Suppose in USMF company we have received an order. Sales and marketing, sales orders, all sales orders. I'm creating a new sales order. And one more thing, tomorrow tomorrow I'm not available. Okay, so I have some other personal work, so tomorrow will not be no session for tomorrow. We'll connect once again on Monday. Only tomorrow I have some other personal work. Fine. Let me select a customer. Any customer is fine. So we have received an order. Simply, we have received an order. Same item, suppose 1000 we have received. Let me show you on hand inventory how is going to change. So product information management, release products. Okay, so item 1000 on hand inventory. Let me save this file. Then it will show you this ordered quantity. It is on order. It will show you here in this on order. It will show you. Okay, that you know already. Let me verify the price whether it is exist or not. Okay, it was exist. Fine. Now if I go back to on hand inventory, just I'm verifying. It is on order is 18. Okay, against this sales order, I can create direct delivery. I can create direct delivery. Now it is vendor is exist already. If you want, you can see in this item master. In this item master, if you go item master, in the purchase order tab, preferable vendor can be mapped. If you look at this one, in the purchase order fast tab, purchase order fast tab, I mean to say purchase fast tab. Look at this one. Preferable vendor, it was mapped already US101, that is coming automatically. So now I'm clicking direct delivery. I'm selecting direct delivery. Click OK. Now automatically within the same company, one purchase order is created. Look at this one. Yesterday's information is, if you create one purchase order, sales order is got created in another company, that is intercompany setup. But this is direct delivery function. So within the same company, operation is completed. Look at this one. We expand. Automatic purchase creation for vendor account. Purchase order PO000157 is created. This is within the same company. And one more thing I would like to show you, yesterday I have missed. In general tab, you can click on related information, related orders. For intercompany also it will show you related orders. It will show you the reference table. If it is intercompany, it will show you intercompany details. Yesterday information also I will show you. So now against this sales order, because I have used the function direct delivery function, and it is automatically one purchase order is got created because of the setups. So let me go to procurement and sourcing module, collapse all purchase orders, all purchase orders. So 157 purchase order is created. Okay, now let me do a confirmation. Released product, if you verify on hand inventory, So it is refresh. Okay, so on hand inventory is 140 and 17. Okay, now what I'm doing confirmation. I did. Now I'm doing product receipt, generate area, product receipt. So look at this one. This company sends the material and this company is receiving. This is USMF company. So we are updating product receipt. Dispatch document means we are doing product receipt. As soon as if I do product receipt, what happens in the normal situation? Product receipt means what happens?
Will be increased.
On hand inventory will be increased. Am I right?
Yeah.
This we learned from 2 months, more than 2 months. We learned this one. Am I right? Now on hand inventory will be increased and decreased immediately. Because direct delivery TD. Okay, let me show you this one. I'm doing product receipt 157, document date, today date or whatever it may be. Look at this one. What happens? It should update 141 to be frankly. But now I'm doing product receipt. Click OK. Okay, so now if you verify on hand inventory, it should become 141. It is not updating anything. What happens? If you go to sales order, if you click on pick and pack tab, packing slip is not updated, but now if you refresh, packing slip will be updated automatically. Packing slip is updated automatically. We have not done anything. If you verify on hand inventory transactions, both product receipt and packing slip is together updated at a time. Today date, purchase order 157, sales order 1985. Sales order number 1985. It was updated together. Understood? Any confusion here? Invoicing is separate. You can there is no dependency. I'm doing invoice. Vendor invoice I have received. Normally the invoice copy I will receive from the vendor. I have updated. Update mass status past. and post. So invoice is updated, completed. But if you verify the sales order invoice, it will not update anything. It is independent only. This is your task. You need to do invoice independently. There will not be any invoice postings because there is no linkage in terms of invoice, only packing slip, because this vendor has dispatched the material to the customer directly, but invoice copy is sent to you. You means here USMF company. So now we can do invoice independently without any linkage. Whenever you want, you can do the invoicing. Understood? Any questions or any confusions here? I'm doing invoice copy. Invoice, I'm generating invoice copy. I'm submitting to the customer, my customer directly. So yesterday is we have created a purchase order. This is direct delivery functionality. Okay. Yesterday is intercompany. In that, what we have created a purchase order. We want material. We have created purchase order. Then in another legal entity, sales order got created. This is another legal entity. So this is POS4. And here we did, as we have created SO against SO, indirectly we have created PO only, but direct delivery. This is direct delivery. If it is direct delivery, so what happens? On hand inventory will be increased and decreased immediately. Means product receipt and packing slip will be updated at a time or together. Always at a time it will be updated. This is direct delivery. Any confusion on this function and that function, or any? So yesterday whatever I did, let me show you. So in the yesterday purchase order also, in USMF we have created purchase orders. One second. In USMF yesterday we have created USMF, it's DMF. In DMF we have created purchase order. Automatically one sales orders are created. in USMF company. That one let me show you. Yesterday topic also. So in this, if you look at this one, this intercompany stock transfers, intercompany. So in this also you can go to general tab. You can see related orders, related orders. So it is in DMF company purchase order. This is in DMF company purchase order is created. This is intercompany SOPO or POSO, whatever it may be. But whereas today whatever you have learned, it is direct delivery within the same company. So in this is today topic, direct delivery. Related information. It is without intercompany. Understood? Any confusion on this one? Everyone, is it clear? We can create against sales order. We can create a purchase order. That is also possible. This is direct delivery. Direct delivery means internally it is creating PO. Direct delivery. One more function now I'm showing you. So let me create a new sales order once again. Same, I'm selecting US 001, same customer. Like I'm selecting warehouse 11, whatever it may be. Click OK. Now let me verify on hand inventory. Let me close this one. Give me a second, it is loading. So if you refresh, it is 140 and 17 and 333. Okay. The same item I am selecting, item 1000, and I have saved. Okay, now in sales order tab, we have three options. One is direct delivery, we learned just now. Now you can using this one, you can create a purchase order. So if you verify on hand inventory, it will show you 18 on order. Now I'm creating a purchase order against this one. This is I'm selecting purchase order. I'm selecting purchase order now. Same behavior. I'm creating a purchase order. Against sales order, one purchase order got created, 158. Now if you verify on hand inventory, now it will become 334. Okay, refresh. Now new purchase order got created, 158. and do confirmation. Next, I have received material. So if you verify on hand inventory, it is 140 and 334 and 17. Let me go to product receipt. I'm doing product receipt. So I'm entering product receipt number. Click OK. So product receipt is updated. If you verify on hand inventory, let me verify 142. It is 140 earlier. Now stock is 141. Stock is 141. If you observe, whether you have observed or not, reserved quantity is updated with 10. Earlier it is 9, it was 10 now. Means on hand inventory is available, but this is reserved against some specific sales order, this one. So stock will be reserved. If it is like this, stock or on hand inventory will be reserved against the sales order, original sales order, but not dispatched. Earlier it is 9, now it was 10. Now if you verify, if you refresh, and stock will be reserved. If you go inventory, reservation, it will be reserved against this sales order. The material is reserved against the sales order. Reserved. Okay. Normally it will not be, because we have purchased against sales order, we have purchased. And one more small thing, it is not usually used. Give me a second. Can anyone verify marking? Are you able to find markings on there? Yeah, marking. It will be marked against purchase order. Marking will be happen, means these two are tightly integrated. Marked, because against this purchase order, this is marked. Okay, internally it will update automatically. So because we are purchasing this material for this specific customer or for this sales order, because we have created from this one. Now normal process, you can do the post packing step. Okay, yesterday, today, whatever you are learning, these are in T&L top functions. The top functions means these functions may not be used regularly. Based on the client requirement, you are going to use it. Okay, normally in training institutes, no one will teach this information. One is intercompany, another one is direct delivery, another one is sales order against purchase order against sales order. Now delivered. If you verify, this will become 9, this will become 140. Then connections will be broken. Normal procedure. Invoicing is separate process. You can do invoicing from here, you can do invoicing from there separately. Understood? Purchase order created against sales order. There are 3 topics, but almost same. Technically it is almost same. Functionally there are 3 different functions. All these 3 are different functions. One is intercompany. Against PO it was SO is created, and SO to direct delivery DD, SO to PO. In this only direct delivery, automatically it is decreased, automatically increased and decreased the stock. Always invoicing is separate process. You need to do invoicing separately. Any confusion? So this is whatever you are learning. It is 91 mark, 92 mark, 93 marks. So top marking like 91 to 95 or 91 to 100. If you want, if you get 100 marks, like we need to struggle a lot. So 80 marks easily you can get it. You can get 80 marks, or 60 marks to 80 marks is not a simple. It's a average. If you struggle average, you can get it. 40 marks is simple actually. Okay, very simple is 40 marks passing, but 60 to 80 it is a little bit hard, and from 90 onwards little bit complex. So now yesterday and today whatever the topics you are learning, it is between 91 to 100 marks questions kind of thing. It is not a complex at all, only practice, and you need to recollect whatever I said. It is all these 3 are, it is almost the same, but little bit changes. All are SO PO, SO PO, SO PO, or PO SO or SO PO. That's it. But functionally there is a change. But technically it is creating SO PO against SO PO is creating, or PO against SO is creating. Okay. Any more questions, please? Tomorrow I will explain you 99th mark, 99 marks if you want, 99th mark if you want, SO PO SO. Big circle. These 3 are, one is POSO, another one is SODD, that is SOPO, but DD, SOPO, we understood. Now tomorrow I'm going to explain you SOPO SO is a big circle, big function. Usually no one will teach in the trainings. This I learned after 3-4 years. Once I am working with Dynamics F&O, I mean to say AX 2009. Initially I don't know. Initial 3-4 years, almost 3-4 years I don't know about this function. I learned almost after 3-4 years. Okay, I will try to explain you tomorrow this topic. Okay, this is a little bit, to be frank, it is not a complex at all. Only the way how you are learning. If you practice all these things by today and tomorrow, by today, you can understand easily. It's not a complex at all, but I will show you. So what I will do in DMF company, I will create SO, and automatically PO I will create in the DMF company only, and here this company USMF. That means direct delivery come intercompany functions. Direct delivery come intercompany function kind of thing we are learning tomorrow. SO, PO, SO. Okay, so all these things, as I told you, like complex scenarios, to be frankly, in T&L, but these scenarios you can learn easily, but you cannot express to the interviewer properly. I'm sure you cannot. So you need to speak a lot with your colleagues. Okay, so try to make like a friendship with your colleagues, anyone, your favorite, and try to speak or try to ask questions. If you start asking questions, the opposite persons need to speak. Okay, so this is little bit it's not too much complex, only little bit efforts we need to put, then automatically it will be easy. Already you have learned SO, PO, PO, SO. This is you have learned PO, SO, and today we have learned D, like direct delivery, SO, PO, direct delivery. Now it is together. It is together, SO, PO, SO. Tomorrow I'm going to explain you about this function. Okay, so as I told you, it is we are closing to the sessions almost after completion of this one. And one more thing, tomorrow there is no session. I mean to say tomorrow I have personal work. Okay, so I need to attend a function. So once again on Monday we'll connect. By this time, please practice all these three. If you practice all these three, you can understand easily SO, PO, SO. Okay, as I told you, you need to speak with the person. You need one person to speak. So try to make friendship with each other and try to discuss one-to-one. Schedule 15 minutes, half an hour, and try to speak. Whether you have to answer or whether you have to question anything. Because I faced challenges like when I'm learning, I know the subject, but I'm not able to express to the interviewer in the very initial stage. I struggled a lot. I know every answer, every question, whatever he is asking, I know the answer, but I'm not able to express properly. So by that struggle, I learned a lot, and I'm able to explain you now everyone. Of course, I am teaching my like and once upon a time I taught mathematics to my friends when my age is 10 years, means 5th standard. When I'm studying 5th standard, I'm teaching mathematics to my friends on the board directly. That is my interest and hobby. So from my entire studies, I used to teach mathematics to my friends. Okay, so if you are teaching, your knowledge will be increased. Many people will think like, if I'm sharing, why I need to share my knowledge to my juniors? This is one of the minus point. Of course, 99.99 people, 99% people, they will not reveal that information, whatever they have learned, to their junior people. That is the main drawback in ERP, any ERP. No one will teach to the junior people. Not only teaching, at least clarification also. If suppose I'm working in a company and there is one issue. Now, suppose I'm approaching my senior, whether if I'm a junior, suppose if I'm approaching my senior, then he will speak like, I will verify, I will come back to you. Okay, you can leave now. Then tomorrow, once I approach him, I have not done anything, it was resolved. System will not get resolved automatically. What he did it, he will not reveal. This is I faced each and every company. In each and every company, they don't want to reveal the information what they have learned. Even this challenge I faced from my juniors who learned from me also. Very few people. No sir, I don't know sir what I did. But later on I can capture what it is. So I can debug it functionally, I can verify what he did changes. So I'm telling you, try to share your knowledge with your juniors or whoever it may be, and your knowledge will be increased. So only in the entire world, only one asset will be keep on increasing if you are sharing, that is knowledge. or vidya, education. If you are sharing, your knowledge is increasing. Okay, fine. So if no questions, then we can connect once again on Monday, same time 6 a.m. as till. At that time, I will explain you these things. Okay, fine. We can wind up the session. If anyone would like to speak, you can unmute. Yeah.
Thanks, Satya. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot for your inputs.
Yeah, you're welcome. See you.
Your inputs is going to help us in a great deal, really.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
So when
Yeah,
I
okay.
try to create a customer in a SCMF company, it's not showing that there is one option called group. So we need to select that intercompany customer, right?
Which company?
Yeah, SCMF.
Yes, South Africa.
SAMF.
South Africa, I think. What is the problem?
When I try to create a new customer, there is one option called group. In another company, it's showing like intercompany customer. But here it's not showing anything like that.
So just now
So
we did it.
which option?
Just now we did it, am right?
No,
have
it's not showing like a option.
No, 1 second.
Sir?
So before going to start the session, I made you presenter and you did it for INMF work.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
so
sir. This is
same
another
like,
doubt.
so the same like you can try once again, it will work. If it is not working, we'll verify on Monday. Okay, you can try
okay,
yourself. And so better is always create a new company because sometimes localizations may stop you. Localization features may stop you. So we don't know the each country localization. Suppose China has China localization, India has Indian localization. Like that, localizations may stop, but that will be majorly for taxes, not for intercompany stock transfers. Okay, so there is no issue. If it is definitely, if it is any challenges, we'll verify on Monday. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Verify yourself and come back on Monday. Okay. Okay, bye bye.